Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Melanie Good here. So today I'm coming to you guys with a tutorial on how I got this high puff. Like, this puff is freaking massive. This took me 15 minutes. 15 minutes, girl, for this. Guys, 15 minutes. Okay? So you guys haven't subscribed to my channel.
You guys haven't subscribed to my channel,
Please hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on your post notifications. Alright guys, so I'm starting out with my hair moisturized and parted into 6 sections. So I just moisturized my hair, parted it into 6 sections and braided it down. So what I'm going to do is unravel the braids that I did. So I started with really clean stretched out hair, but you can still use, like, you know, your hair however it is. So I'm just taking out my braids, and first of all, I just wanted to say, guys, excuse the coconut oil just running down my face. I did not know that half my freaking makeup was literally running down my face, so please excuse that. So what I'm doing is I am just brushing my hair up just so I can make my ponytail. And I'm taking my Eco Styler gel and I'm applying that all over my hair. Guys, you know the process. You've watched my how to sleek your hair down video, I'm sure. If you haven't watched it, go watch it, okay? So I'm taking my brush and I'm using a very soft Bristol brush because I don't want my edges to literally fall off. So this brush, it looks like it's actually hard, but it's very soft. So I prefer that just because I don't want my edges literally falling off. So I'm using that to kind of put my hair up in a bun. Just using that to smoothen out my edges. And don't forget the back, guys. I see some of your tutorials and I see some people literally forget the back of their head, literally their kitchen. Don't forget that because you want to smoothen that out too. So I tried to put my hair up in a bun in one go, but it was not happening. So what I do is I kind of section my hair into 2 parts. So I kind of section my hair into 2 parts to make it manageable for me to work with, because I want my bun to be as smooth and perfect and just, you know, bomb as possible. So I section my hair into 2 parts, take my brush and use that to gently brush my hair up just to take away, just to make it smooth and to not have any, you know, bumps or lumps or anything like that. And you want your bun to be like directly in the middle of your head, like that. I'm taking the second part and then I'm gonna add that to the first bun that I did. And just like that. So as you can see, this allowed me to achieve that perfect bun in one go. If I had done it all at once, I know for a fact that I would have made a mistake for sure. To be honest, I really do not understand these faces that I'm making. Like, is it that serious? It's not that serious, girl. Okay. So that is it, guys. So as you can see, my bun is done. Alright, so as you can see, I have perfected the actual bun shape that I wanted. It's right in the middle like I want. I'm taking my Xpression. This is just a random weave that I found around the house, but it's kind of a 4C texture, so it kind of mimics, it actually mimics, you know, my hair texture perfectly. So I'm taking a bobby pin and I'm gonna just circle that around, attach the weave to my hair in a circle just to match the ponytail. Well, not the ponytail, the puff that I did. So as you can see, I'm just going in a circle and I'm bobby pinning the weave to my hair in a circle. I left my actual hair out in the middle to give it kind of a realistic look, because I do have like some grays in the front, in the middle of my head. So this just blends in perfectly, and for people that know that I have like gray hair, they can still see it peeking through, so it gives that realistic look for me, I think. So I attached the second one to it, and depending on how big you want your puff to be, you can attach. There's 3 in a pack. I will link this weave down below, but there's 3 in a pack, and it comes, so I used only 2 packs because I like that look of a full puff, but not too crazy full that it kind of looks unrealistic. So I think this is a good medium for me. So I'm just adjusting and just working with it to make it look, you know, as undetectable as possible. Honestly, I don't see how anyone can detect this because nothing is showing. Even the back, you can see it literally looks like my hair. Like I put it in a high puff. So yes, girl, this literally took me like 15 minutes. Like I'm sure it was even like 10 minutes. I'm just saying 15 minutes in case you have, I don't know, I'm just saying 15 minutes, but I think it was like 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm just styling my edges, and that is it, guys. I'm not doing too much with the edges. Like I don't want to lay it down too flat because that's going to just look unrealistic. So I did not do extreme, like, you know, sleek down edges with my kinky texture. I just hate that look of a sleek down edge while your hair is like kinky. Like, girl, who are you trying to fool? Anyway, so that is it. Sleeking my edges a little bit, but not too much that it looks, you know, unrealistic. And I'm using my edge control Ebin New York as always. That is it, guys, for this tutorial. Really, there's not much to this video. I'm just showing you guys another quick hair tutorial, like a high puff, if you wanted something quick, something nice and just simple. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button on this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.